Hi everyone, I'm back with another wildlife origami video, and today we'll be folding Shade the Ladybug, and it's going to be a bit different today. So if you were here for my last video, it was kind of very choppy and messy because yeah, nail problems basically is how to sum it up. So today I'm actually filming during daytime, so if there's like audio cut out or there are some noises because it's daytime, so you know there's people living in my house as well, there's outside noise, and you know, so there's gonna be, you know, a lot of noise maybe in the background, but hopefully it'll turn out okay. It's usually I film in the nighttime, but yeah, that's just a heads up before I start. So yeah, let's just jump straight into it, why don't we? So taking a square piece of origami paper like usual, we'll start by folding a blitz base. To do that, we will fold in half diagonally. And then we'll do the same, fold it half again diagonally on the other side. Cool, and then we'll open it up, and basically all the corners we have, we're gonna fold towards the center of our model. Cool, and there we have our blitz base to start us off with. And then after that, we'll want to fold all these four corners like partially towards the center, so like halfway towards the center about here. Or actually, maybe a bit more than halfway. I think it's like almost 2/3, I would say. It's about that much. Yeah, that seems correct. And yeah, just doing the same on all of the corners and like trying to like hold down the sides as I'm doing this so they don't like rise up. Making sure it's like tight, the fold. Cool, so this is how our model should look now, and then we're gonna grab a pen. Maybe I should have told you from the start, so if you don't have a pen, go like pause this video and quickly grab one. We're gonna basically draw some of the markings on our ladybug. We will want to draw in the circle here and basically the edge of the points on all four. So basically just look at what I'm doing because it's probably easier to look at what I'm doing rather than just verbally listening to me. Cool, so your model should look like this basically, and yes, I know the scribbles are kind of rough because I use the pen. Maybe you might use a Sharpie because of the basically material of the paper I used. A pen would be quickest to dry and not slide around, but yeah, basically the corners are blackened and you're gonna want to draw kind of like a square connecting each of the points in the center, and then you're going to want to blacken that out. But this is how your model should look basically when you draw it. And then the next step is you're going to want to fold these out, and how far you fold it is basically about this much, so basically just above where the areas you blacked out in the corners, and you're gonna fold them out and up so it pokes out at the other side, and repeat for all of them. Cool, so it should look like this. And then the next step you want to do is these kind of like bits that are sticking out, you want to fold them inside to kind of like round it off, I guess. Is that the correct way to call it? But yeah, basically you just want to fold them in each four. Like that should basically be your model. And then what we want to do after that is these pieces here, we want to fold them out, so like that. I'm gonna pull them all the way as much as possible so it sticks out on the other side. And yeah, just fold them. So grab and pull as far as you can. And if you flip it around, this is how your model should look. And you're gonna want to pick one of these corners that are sticking out, maybe the one that's the furthest stuck out of the four, like of these thicker ones. Maybe I'll pick this one, and you're just gonna want to bend it back a bit, like just the tip, like just a bit. So then this is basically gonna be the head of your ladybug, and for the rest you're basically just gonna draw spots here for your ladybug. And yeah, maybe I'll recommend using a Sharpie this time to others who haven't started yet, so it's faster than using a pen. Cool, so this is basically my ladybug. So I dropped the pen and used a Sharpie instead to do the dots, and I don't know why I did them different sizes, because ladybugs aren't all their spots like evenly sized, like kind of like in the picture basically. So yeah, I've got like a very funky looking ladybug because I completely forgot how one looked like till I did them. And for the eyes, yeah, it was a bit difficult because I realized we blacked it out, and then I was like, how do I do like some eyes now? So what I thought of was using my nail polish, and yes, it's like the nail polish I use to paint my nails, if you haven't noticed. And if I haven't mentioned it a billion times already. And yeah, basically I dotted them on to do the eyes. So yeah, here is the final product, the final model. It looks really cute despite like the spots being a bit odd how they're different sizes, but I really love it. And yeah, as usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this video, anything you want to recommend me, thumbs up this video so I know you enjoy this type of content, subscribe for more origami videos like this and other sorts of arts and craft content I post on here, and yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!